When this water bird, a coot, left her nest for a while, a man quietly replaced her real eggs with 3 fake ones, because he had no other choice. For days, the coot couple had been laying eggs, but every time the eggs were about to hatch, they would mysteriously vanish. The man even installed a camera near the nest, but all it ever captured was a frog. Desperate to save at least one chick, he crafted 3 fake eggs and carefully swapped them with the real ones. He then took the real eggs home and placed them in an incubator. When the coot returned, she calmly sat over the fake eggs, completely unaware. And 32 days later, one of the real eggs finally hatched. But now came the hardest part, reuniting the baby with its mother and hoping she'd accept it. The man returned to the nest, placed the baby chick inside, and took the fake eggs away. And within minutes, the chick began chirping at its mother. And to everyone's surprise, the coot instantly accepted her baby without hesitation. Watching the two reunite, the man finally breathed a sigh of relief. If this touched your heart, drop a red heart in the comments and subscribe for more beautiful stories like this.